Right, hi guys, Greg the Wild Hippie back again. As you can see, I've done quite a lot since the last video. This bloody parlour crap camera did its usual trick and just decided out of nowhere, for no apparent reason, it didn't want to record audio. So I've lost all the footage from getting it from where you last saw it, when I just basically glued the fuselage shafts together to getting the wings built and the undercoat in satin black. So that's really annoying. But yeah, what can we do? I should maybe one day invest in a better camera that doesn't do that randomly. When it seems to do it when I take when I copy video files off of it onto the computer. It seems to be when I switch it back on again, so I must remember to check, because there is a symbol in the bottom right hand corner of a microphone, and you know, when it's not recording audio there's a line through it. I need to remember to keep looking at it. But anyway, so here's the Revell B17G with the wings on, tail stabilizers on, and as you can see, undercoated in satin black. I think it looks fucking awesome like this, but sadly it can't stay that way, because I'm going to be doing that up as Little Miss Mischief, and she's sort of half silver, half camouflage. So yeah, that'll be good fun doing that. So I'm going to do that. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to stop a second, and thankfully I took some close-up photographs of the wheelbase while they were being made. You can't see them, it's dark here as well, so you know, I can't see anything in there, but I did take some pictures of them as I was putting everything together, so at least you've got that. So I'll insert that now. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the silver painted on this, and bring you back once I've done that. I might do all the painting, do the camouflage section on the back and all the colours on the wings before I bring you back, or I might do it a little bit at a time, I don't know yet. But anyway, once I've done a bit more, I'll bring you back and I'll speak to you in a bit. Alright, first coat of the silver. Looks pretty cool. Apart from just when I finished, I realised I'd used the wrong silver, so I used 191 when it should have been 11. But never mind. It's only like the base coat, so it shouldn't make too much difference. I'll do the underside in the 191, and then when it's dry, I'll just go over the whole lot with the number 11. No biggie. I think it looks quite nice. Yeah. Well, as I keep saying, I'll see you in a bit. Alright, here are people, I've done a bit more. It's the coat of the correct colour silver on the underside. Umbro 11 looks, I think it looks pretty sweet, and I've done the port wing. You can see the difference between the two silvers. Much nicer finish, absolutely stunning. Yeah, very happy with how this is coming along. So I'm going to finish the top side. I've done the tail last night. Looks pretty epic, and yeah, so I'm going to get that done, and then we'll probably do the olive green for the main part of the body. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a little while. Ta-da. Right, so first coat of the olive drab on the flaps, the ailerons, whatever they're called, and the rear of the fuselage. Yeah, it definitely needs a second coat, but yeah, it's coming along very nicely. I am really enjoying this build. Yeah, so yeah, gonna do that. Get that second coat, and it will probably be time to think about putting the wheels on, getting the undercarriage on. We'll have to see. We'll have a look. Yeah, I'll bring it back as always when I've done a little bit more. See you in a bit, peeps. Alright, done the second coat of the olive drab on the back. Done the first coat of the patch on the wing, and a bit on the inside of the engine cowls, and the bit in front of the cockpit. Yeah, music playing is my friend Band, Not Now Norman, really good band. Check them out. This is the latest single. I'm on the video. Yeah, so it's Not Now Norman. The song's called End of the Day. Please check them out. They're fucking awesome. That's enough of that. Don't want to ruin it for you. Check them out, they're really good. Alright, okay, so she's got her legs on. I've done the red wingtips and the first coat on the tailplane. Yeah. Looking good. There's your legs. Alright. Yeah, so I've done a fair bit more. I can't remember where I was last time I showed you anything. So yeah, coming along, definitely. Obviously the tailplane needs at least 2 more coats. The underside has had its second coat and is looking a lot better. That gloss black is not particularly easy to paint over. And it hasn't really had the desired effect I was hoping for on the silver, but never mind. You've got to experiment with these things. So yeah, I'm going to call that now for the minute, and as always I'll bring you back when I've done a bit more. See you shortly. Right, okay, so we're now on the exhausts and the engine. Can't really see that very well. We'll take some photographs. Sort of main exhaust parts. There's more engine parts over there. I won't bore you with them in a minute. But yeah, with the exhausts, I gave it an undercoat of matte 29, and then I dry brushed some silver 191, then sort of a more goldy silver colour 171, and then finally a little bit of matte 100 for some rust. I think they look quite effective. I don't know how realistic they are, but yeah, I will take some close-up photographs of them now and insert them. And there she is. Well, this is where she's going to live once I've finished up. I'll put it here so I've got the desk free. I'm very happy with how the tailplane has come out. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, I'll bring back when I've built the engines. Alright, cool. The first part of the engines is on. That was quite cool. Yeah, that was nice. That went on easy enough. Gonna probably leave it for tonight now, let that dry, and then I'll do the fronts of the engines and get the cowling on. And obviously, as always, I'll see you in a minute when I've done it. Right, back again. So, engine cowls are on. The sunscreen, whatever it is, the bit to stop the sun glaring in the pilot's face, has been done. All the paint touch-ups have done. I don't know if you can pick it up, but I've done the little bits of camouflage or whatever it is on the side with the darker green. It looks like previous markings that were painted over in the wrong colour. That's what it looks like to me. Don't know whether or not that's true. But yeah, give that some time to dry. See if it needs any more touch-ups. I've gone around and spotted all the obvious ones. Yeah, very happy. Just one of the undercarriages needs a little bit of a repair. The green bit hasn't attached to the silver bit. I can't remember which side it is. So yeah, but that's looking pretty reasonable to me. Yeah, so next stage will be to mask that little round window on the top. Put the sides in here with the guns, and then it's time for lacquer, I think. Yeah, I'll bring you back before I do the lacquer. See you shortly. Yeah. Okay, so I've decided this section of the video has gone on long enough. So I'm going to wrap this up here, guys. So hope you're enjoying this build so far. I'll be back soon enough with the next stage of the build. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please leave me a comment, and I will be back very soon with another video. Take it easy. Ta-da.